Hi, Cindy Fodor here with Stamp for Love. So excited that you joined me today. So my ninth day of Christmas, I believe that's the number I'm on. I decided to do a video for you just so that it would be easier for you to complete your project. The measurements and everything. There's a little bit of movement to the card, or the project. So it is a gift card, and I hope that you can grab some paper. Hopefully, you have everything you need to do this project. It doesn't have to be the specific things that I'm using, but I'm sure that you can improvise something to make this really cute gift card idea. Let me flip the camera down here so that I can show you what I'm doing. Okay, so this is a picture of the gift card holder. Let me pull this off so you can see the inside. This isn't completed. This has some pieces that I'm going to show you yet. But it has 3 different pockets so that you can put gift cards, Ghirardelli chocolates, whatever cute little things you want to inside of there. So that's it with the belly band. You're going to start out with a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. I'm using Whisper White, and I'm going to cut it at 6 inches. So I have it in my personal cutter, and I just need 1 piece of that. Then I'm going to take my Simply Scored, and I'm going to score it. Got to get it in the picture here. I'm going to score it at 3 inches the long way, and then I'm going to turn it sideways and do 3, 6, 9. So each of the squares will be 3-inch squares, but pretty easy to figure that one. The next thing that you're going to want to do is grab your paper snips, and you're going to make 3 cuts. So 1 cut will be here. It doesn't have to be the specific one, but I'm on the end at the bottom. On the other bottom side, on the right side now, I'm going to cut this one. And the more carefully you cut these, the better your folded project will be. Now I'm flipping it around, and in the center, so you can see my cuts here, whoops, and here. Now in the center, I'm going to cut this one. The fun part comes next. All right. Once you have that done, I want you to hold your paper like this, and I'm going to show you how to fold it. And you're going to fold the left side down, then you're going to fold it over, then it comes up, then it goes behind, then it comes down, it folds behind, and it folds up. There we go. Okay, so when you're finished, if you open the 2 ends, there's 2 loose ends, and I'm holding this all together because it's not hooked together back here. But you'll see the start of 3 pockets right here. Okay? So I'm going to just prop these so that they will stay. I use the Everyday Label Punch and punched out 3 pieces of designer paper. I'm going to choose those 3. And you're going to fold them lengthwise, like so. So get them all folded. I wanted to have this done ahead of time so this video wouldn't get so long. Okay. And then it makes it harder for me to upload. All right. So once you've done that, you're going to just put glue on both sides here. You're going to glue on the edge of this pocket, on the edge of this one, and the edge of this one, so that you have closed off, and now you only have the openings in each pocket. A 3 inch, or I'm sorry, 3 1/4 inch by 9 1/2 inch piece. Let me flip it around here. And you're going to score it at, I have my measurements laying here. I have my little markers there, but it's 3 5/8. So 1 notch after the 1/2 inch mark, and then 4, 3 5/8 and 4. So there's 3/8 of an inch difference there. And then for this one, you'll start at 7 1/2 and 7 7/8. Okay. And the same thing goes with your green strip. It's the same length as the red piece and the same scoring measurements. Okay. It is 1 inch wide. Okay, I'm going to show you how to insert your pockets into your folded piece. So just fold it up with your flaps on the outside, pockets on the inside. I'm going to stick it right down into that fold. You can see my flap, my short flap is at the top. And then you just fold that up. Open it, apply your adhesive. Whoops. And I like to hold it in my hand so that I can make sure that that bottom is nice and square. And then just press that down. And the same thing with the other side. Open it up, apply your adhesive, and close that up. And then you've got both flaps already glued down and ready to go. That's how easy it is. Back to the one that I have almost completed and show you the finishing touches. So here I have all of my pieces glued on. You'll see that I have a little divot here. I just took my 1-inch circle punch, and you will just pop it in the end, not quite halfway, and create a little finger pull so that they can get out whatever you put in there for them. Okay, and then one last thing, I used a little bit of designer paper here. I believe 3 inches by 3.5 inches, triple corner punch. So I did do the rounded part just by sticking that in there twice. Now I want to go back and show you how to add the little fleur-de-lis pattern or whatever that is. You'll see that there are 2 flat edges here. All you have to do is make sure that your paper is against both of those edges. And I tell everybody to stand up when they're doing this because you need to push down firmly right in the center. There are 3 different punches on this thing. And so if you're sitting and you happen to just push it on one side, it will not push down because it will catch. So just pop like that and then like that. And there you go. Now, when you go to attach this piece to your finished project, you will want to go ahead and make those creases. So I'm putting the long ends on the front, and I'm going to bring the short end around the top. Now that's going to be a tight fit. In fact, your score lines might be just a little bit tight, so you'll have to give that an extra little crease there. All I did then was I glued this piece down and then attached my little medallion on top of that. And if you like this stocking, this is a Hostess set from the holiday catalog. You still have a chance to get that with a Hostess order of $150. It's just a really, really cute set with all kinds of little hanging stockings. And I did use markers to ink the stamp and then huffed on it and stamped it. Okay, I think I showed you all of the important steps of that. Hopefully you can grab some paper and try for yourself.